What's going on, guys? Your boy Carlos with the Best Credit Blueprint. Guys, I'm excited that you guys are here today. Why? Because today I want to talk to you on how you can get unlimited credit cards. But before I continue, guys, I appreciate that you guys are here today. Now, if this is the first time on the channel, make sure you subscribe. Click on that bell icon so like that you'll be notified every time that I post a new content. And it's daily. Daily, that's when we post. Guys, at the same time, give me the thumbs up. Giving me the thumbs up is going to allow me to work with the algorithms or YouTube algorithms so like that I'm able to reach more people. My goal in life is to help many of you to increase your score, get your score up to the point that you are able to, in this case, get unlimited credit cards. But also, I want you to get to something called the 800 Club. The 800 Club is when you get to 800 plus, guys. 850 is one of those things that is almost unseen. Why? Because unfortunately, we don't learn this in school. Unfortunately, finance 101 was not one of the subjects that you learn in high school or even college. Guys, I went to college, 2 masters, and what is that for? It's never, not one of them taught me on how to finance my home, my car, even my credit cards, or how to even deal with money. So what I'm doing here is I'm providing value to you guys in order to help you. Don't go through the same school of hard knocks that I've been to. I'm an expert on what doesn't work, guys. But continuing, how can you get unlimited credit cards? I mean, that's a question that I pose and people ask me about. But guys, it is easy. First of all, before you even try to get unlimited credit cards, you know that your credit score needs to be 700 above. Now, guys, it needs to be 700 above. And yeah, you tell me that, okay, some people tell me, oh, but I'm at 680, 650, I still get credit cards. But yes, you get the baby credit cards. You know the baby boys, you know the Capital One, the Premiers, the Finger Huts. Guys, yes, you need to get a 700 credit score in order to actually get the big boys. And don't get me wrong, don't feel bad if all you can actually get now is the Capital Ones. Because I still have my Capital One that I got a long time ago. Now, this baby by here, this puppy is almost 16 years. But you know what? Something that actually taught me how to start managing my money. But you know what? Today, I'm able to get the American Express, it's the flagship. This is a Navy Federal flagship, almost $50,000. But what I'm trying to say to you guys is you have to start somewhere. Now, if you want to get unlimited credit cards, the way that I'm going to be teaching you is you need to be able to increase your credit score. And so many factors are out there that could be decreasing your credit score. One is utilization, the age on your credit report, how many open accounts you have, do you have any late payments, do you have bankruptcies, do you have any repossessions? Guys, increase. It's one of the biggest things. Now, all of these factors and many more can affect your overall credit score. Now, if you look, we teach you the A to C's and the whole process in the Best Credit Blueprint on how to fix your credit, how to identify, how to read a credit score. You know what? It's be surprising that almost 76% of the population don't even know how to get their credit score or their credit report. As a matter of fact, they don't even know how to read it. So this is one of the main things why we want to bring knowledge to you. We want to teach you how to properly do your own investigation, identification, but also learn what to look for and how to combat the credit bureaus. Now, in this case, inquiries. You know, inquiries are a small part of your resume. Your credit report is your resume. Your credit report is what tell all the bankers or all the creditors, hey, this person have enough credit on file. They have the credit, the right utilization, and then meet your criteria to be lent. Now, something that you have to keep in mind: if you are constantly applying for credit cards, and if you're not getting approved, more than likely you're still applying for credit cards in order to get one. And I get it. And if you don't know what you don't know, then you're still gonna try to continue hit the same drum, trying to hoping that something else comes out. But keep in mind that Albert Einstein once said, the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over and expecting a different result. That is insanity to me. But so guys, if you keep doing that, that's going to tell the banks that, hey, this person's looking for credit desperately, but they don't have any money, and that raises red flags to the creditors. As a matter of fact, if you do 6 inquiries within a month, that automatically goes on your credit report. And every time that a new lender is trying to qualify you because you apply, qualify you to lend you, and that will automatically go into their system, and the algorithms will disqualify you for lending for that credit. Now guys, also keep in mind that, let's just say you have the baby credit card. The baby credit card. As a matter of fact, this one is, and they never raised it for some freaking reason. It's $1,500, but I have a $50,000 credit card. And every time that I ask, they say they cannot raise, but whatever. I still keep it because that still gives me not only age, but it also gives me the credit utilization. So imagine that that's all you have, and you have the Finger High, you have the Premier, and all you have is a $300 credit card. You have a $1,500 credit card and so on, and you go out with your girl, you go out with your boyfriend, you go out with your loved ones, and let's put it in there. You have a $300 credit card, and your meal or whatever you do costs you $200. Then you stop, buy gas and so on, little things, and all of a sudden you almost have $300. Guess what, guys? You already went to your $300 availability, which is 100% utilization, which is going to tank your credit score. So what I'm trying to say is, guys, you need to be mindful. Let's start fixing your credit. At the same time, credit inquiries are one of the worst ones. So I'll talk about the 800 credit club. But even though if you have an 800 credit and you have many inquiries on your credit, like I said, 6 inquiries a month is something that automatically will disqualify you with a lot of creditors. So 6 inquiries will disqualify you. So even though if you have many inquiries on your credit report and your credit score is over 800, you will still get denied. So let's get to the point. How do we get unlimited credit cards? Obviously, it needs to be over 700, and also you need to be mindful how many inquiries you have. Now, in our course, I show you how to remove your inquiries. Now, as a matter of fact, we have developed a 72-hour method that will show you how to remove your credit card. How to remove your credit inquiries from your credit report, not your credit cards. You don't want to remove your credit card, guys. This is why today I have more than 23 cards and 0 inquiries. So, and I don't say this just to brag, but I want to show you that it can be done. There's a way and the method to the madness. We want to show you how to actually gain knowledge and get the best that you can, guys. This is January 2022, and I want to make sure that you start this year with your right foot and your left foot too. Guys, it is time for you to learn, start taking charge of your life, start taking charge of your finances, start taking charge of everybody around you. Because I know that you want to help your family. I know you want to help you. You probably want to get the house, the home, the vehicle that you want. You probably want to get some lending in order to start your own business. And I understand times are tough with COVID. A lot of people, and trust me, we all have felt the pandemic. So I want to just let you know that yes, you can do it. That is a way that you can definitely make it happen. The Best Credit Blueprint is here to help you and help you understand how you can actually overpass or go over what you've been taught since you were little. Credit cards are wrong. No, you cannot do that, guys. All of that is wrong. I want to show you that you can get unlimited credit cards. I'm at 23 today, and that is less than 12 months. Guess what? I'm probably going to double that before the end of the year. And I'm going to continue, and I'm going to continue using the methods. And you know what? Everything that I show you, I tried on myself first. I want to make sure that everything works before I bring it to you. Guys, I appreciate that you guys are here today. Thank you for being here with me. Once again, if you love this content, hey, don't forget to subscribe. Click on that bell icon. Click on all. Guys, give me the thumbs up. That's going to allow me to actually reach many, many more people. But if you want to get unlimited credit cards, you know what to do. Call us. Best Credit Blueprint, 516-600-0127. And also, we're going to have a free training this Friday. In the bottom of this video, you'll see a link. Register. It is free. We'll show you more. We'll show you the 3 secrets of the wealthy, how they got to the 800 credit score, and they stay there going forward. Now, guys, thank you for being here with us today. This is Carlo with the Best Credit Blueprint, and I'll see you in the next video.